Hey, I wanted to give y'all a little tour of Schoology. Everybody has theirs set up differently. So I wanted to kind of give you a tour and let you know how I set our classes up. So I'm going to go to Schoology and mine is going to look probably a little different from yours because I am coming in from the teacher side of it. But when you come in, you're going to come to your course dashboard. And these are our courses. I could scroll down and I would see more. You're going to have art, dance, a lot of other courses. Just so you know, you can move these. You can kind of slide them up and arrange them. So if there's courses you're only going to, once a week, maybe you slide them down. I don't think we have any like that, but anyways, you can move them so that it's more convenient for you. I'm going to start right here in our homeroom because I've set a lot of stuff up in our class info, or a lot of stuff up for information in here. And you can see that these are what we call buttons. I'm going to refer to buttons a lot when I'm giving you directions, and so these are buttons. And these buttons under class info and homeroom, there's a little slideshow so you can meet me. This will be our weekly newsletter. This is just some information about Schoology, and I'm actually going to put this video there as well. This will be login information. If I click on that button, here's how to get into iReady, which actually you won't need because we're going to go through Clever. If you lost your Boom card login or your Epic login that we gave you the other day, you can find that information there. Google Meet. These buttons are very important. You're going to find it in every single course. When we are having live meetings, this is what you will click. Now, if I have not started the meeting, you're going to get an error message. Also, you will get an error message if you are not logged into Google with your student's Gmail account. You must be logged in with an MCPSS Gmail account to access this. So not to the computer, go to Google and log into Google with your child's MCPSS account. There's directions for that in the important news. This is a link to our schedule, which I'm also going to be sending in this email. And then this is a link to our announcements, which we have every morning. If you need to jump to one of our courses, there's a quick and easy way to do it if you don't want to have to go back to the course dashboard. And then here's some additional resources. This is Clever. Mine's going to look a little different from yours, but you're going to have the option to go to a crafts page. And then you're going to see some links to some of the programs that we use. There'll be a link to Seesaw, a link to Studies Weekly, a link to iReady, Discovery Ed, Accelerated Reader. And if for some reason you can't get into Schoology, you should have a Schoology icon in Clever as well. So we'll go back. So that's going to be a very important link. Epic is a program we're going to use to read books. Seesaw will be a program we'll use to turn some things in. Boom. This is where you're going to find your library link. You're going to have library assignments, and I'll let you know in the weekly newsletter when you do, but you're going to come to homeroom and find the library link. And then there's also a link to Waterford. So those are all important links. I'm going to go back to courses. And I'm going to go to math. Oop, there's our Bitmoji classroom. This is how we've done our work in these courses. We're not going to school until Tuesday of next week. And so Tuesday, I can click and then I can see the assignments. I can click the assignment and then it, will show me and tell me what to do. But so on Tuesday, I'm going to do all of Tuesday's assignments. Same for Wednesday. There's all Wednesdays assignments, Thursdays. So these will be the math assignments because we're in the math course and we have them by days of the week. Calendar is not linked yet, but this will be ongoing for the entire month. So you'll do calendar daily after you've seen the live video. Then we have the same additional resources. I put these on every course just so you could get to them quickly and easily so you didn't have to always go back to homeroom. If we come down, here's a little welcome with some information about math, class news. There will be a copy of the newsletter. This week's assignments, which is going to be the same as that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You're going exactly to this same place. It's just an easier way to do it up here from the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then all of these courses are going to basically look the same. Of course, the Bitmoji classrooms will be a little different. Here we are in language arts. You're going to have your daily work in language arts. You're going to have those important links. You're going to have a welcome with a little information about what language arts skills we'll be working on this year, our class news, and then that same this week folder that you're really not going to need because these daily links will be easier. And then we're going to go the same. Reading's going to be the same. Daily work, important links, welcome. See how we're going here. It's really not going to be hard to find things once we get the hang of it. And then in kindergarten, social sciences are together. And so we'll have the same, the daily work, the links, the welcome, the class news. So I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how I had set up our classroom and kind of where you were going to find things and what the best way to navigate it would be. Remember that our homeroom is going to have these important information links, and then your courses are going to have your daily work. So excuse this video. It's late at night when I'm making it, but I hope this was helpful.